Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you the Qwen code CLI has been released. Qwen, as you all know, it's a powerful AI model for developers and programmers. And now you can use this coding model directly inside your terminal. So this is the GitHub repo. If you type this address, you will land on this GitHub repository. And the nice thing about this model is that apart from other models such as Gemini CLI, which is paid, or Claude CLI. This is not paid. The free model is available and it's at no cost. So you just want to authenticate with Qwen and you basically get 2000 requests per day with no token limits, 60 requests per minute. Simply run Qwen and authenticate with your Qwen AI account. So simply go to this website. This is the official website of Qwen and simply authenticate. You can access Qwen directly in the web browser right here. You simply type whatever thing you want to say, build a image to PDF. But they have released the CLI version as well, which you can directly use in VSCode. So it is actually a powerful Qwen3 model that you can see right here. It is developing this. You click on sign up and log in right here. So now to get started, the command is simple. You should have Node.js installed on your machine. So simply go to the terminal and inside your VS Code and just open the CMD panel right here and just make sure that you have Node.js installed. So the command is very simple. Just check node dash dash version. So I have the latest version installed here. You can see 22.17.0. After that, this gives you this command here, npm command. Directly paste this command to install this npm install -g for global @Qwen code. Simply enter this command. This will install the Qwen's code CLI inside your machine. So just wait for the installation to complete. So recently it is released as opposed to Gemini and Claude CLI as well. So various AI solutions have their own terminal program as well. So this also is providing you. And once it is installed, you simply type here Qwen. As soon as you type Qwen right here, you just need to authenticate. This will come right here. You can ask questions, edit files, run commands with Qwen code. And the authentication here, how would you like to authenticate for this project? You simply select the first option, which is Qwen Auth, and this is completely free. You simply authenticate yourself, so you can log in with your Google account as well. Simply say continue with Google. And once you are logged in right here, click on confirm and access verification. It is doing it, so just wait. You simply swap this. So now you are verified, and once you are verified, click on confirm authentication successful. So now you can access Qwen directly inside the CLI version. So here you type your own message. There is no API key needed. It provides you with 2000 messages per day and 60 messages per minute. So right here, let me say it is make a car racing game and create a car racing .html file and write all the code in this. So as soon as I ask this question, now it will create a file for me automatically inside our VS Code. So just wait for the command to finish. It is initiating and is creating this HTML file automatically for me. So now it is creating it, so just need to wait for some time. So it will have a racetrack background with the road markings, enemy cars that move down the screen, game over functionality as well. So collision detection also will be there. So you will say yes, allow always. Just grant the permission. So now automatically this has created the file. As you can see on the left hand side, it also generates the summary of the game as well automatically in the terminal. So it has created this file for me. So it's a complete car racing game. You can see that around about 337 lines of code it has generated for me. And you can see the live preview as well. This is a car racing game that it has generated. You can control it with our arrow keys. And similar way, you can build more applications as well. You can follow up questions as well. So let me say build a advanced QR code generator and scanner web app in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Create a file QR code HTML. So now it is creating an advanced QR code generator and scanner web application. So this will generate both generation and scanning capabilities using the browser camera. So just need to wait for some time. This it will compile everything for you and generate the file for you. So this Qwen3 CLI is really powerful, guys. It is destroying Claude, Gemini, Cursor, all the latest AI models. It's really powerful. It's basically from a Chinese company, so that's why it's completely open source as well. And now they have released their own CLI version as well. So it instantly create web applications in VS Code right on the terminal itself. So it's really powerful, as you can see, Qwen3 code CLI. And you can basically access it directly in the terminal itself. You actually ask the question and automatically it will generate the files. So now it has generated this QR code HTML. So this is roundabout, you can see 628 lines of code. You can see the live preview as well. This is your advanced QR code. Let me just run this in the browser. So you can see QR code generator. So here you basically, if you want to generate a QR code, you simply write the domain name and then click on generate QR code. So it will generate the QR code. You can even change the foreground and background color as well. So QR code scanner. So here you can use your own web camera. Click on start scanning. So right here you can basically put the QR code that you want to generate using this QR scanner as well. So this is a fully advanced application, guys. You can build using Qwen3 code CLI right here in the terminal itself. So just install this and start using this directly in the terminal to build full stack applications using Qwen3 code CLI model. And it's available on GitHub. As you can see, guys, this is a step-by-step instruction, Qwen3 code. And recently they have released this. It's got almost 10.5 stars on GitHub. So the nice thing about this, it's completely open source model as opposed to Claude and Gemini, and they have released their own terminals version as well. So, and the limits, as you can see, 2000 requests per day with no token limit. So there is no token limit out there, 60 requests per minute, and you can actually make 2000 requests per day, which is more than enough. You don't need more than 2000 requests. So it's more than enough if you are a developer or a programmer. You can make use of Qwen CLI directly in the terminal, Qwen3. And this is a step-by-step instruction that I've shown you how to get started. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video.